Are you wondering what kind of video quality you can actually get from this 4K sports action camera, and if you should get this camera? So first, when it comes to video quality, you see it even claims to record 4K 30 frames per second, but we actually really have to consider the price point of this camera. So personally, I got mine from AliExpress and literally paid a bit under $15 for mine, and that also was with free shipping. So if you also want to get for same price, simply check out the special discount links in the description. Again, this is free shipping and directly from the manufacturer who makes. So essentially I have simply recorded some videos that I can show you, so you can simply judge for yourself. But again, if you compare this camera to maybe like $400 like DJI or GoPro, then you obviously have to lower your expectations. The video stabilization isn't very good actually on this camera, and also I do not think it's actually like true 4K. I think it's simply like upscaled like full HD, I think, in my opinion, if I actually check basically more closely this stuff. So first I have a video I recorded basically in the same setup, so you can see for yourself. And this is what the video and audio quality looks like when you use this camera to record videos like this. So you can see for yourself what it actually looks like. And this is what the video and audio quality. So yeah, for this price I think that's actually quite impressive. Also another video where I recorded basically in selfie mode. And this is what the camera looks like when you're using to record yourself, and currently indoors without much light. So you can see for yourself how it actually looks like. And this is what the camera looks like when you... So yeah, indoors, if you also do not have like crazy bright sunlight shining directly at it, also it has got like decent enough exposure. And also another video outdoors. So if you have like very bright sunlight shining, it sometimes like to overblow, but again, so at this price I'm probably not complaining that much. Also observe the stabilization. As you see, it's very poor when it comes to stabilization. In like action camera you definitely should have good stabilization, but the stabilization definitely isn't very good on this one. So you'll maybe have to get like a gimbal or simply stabilized it somehow yourself. But yeah, for its price, you see, actually pretty impressive probably. So yeah, this is essentially what you can actually get from this camera. Also, I basically suggest you to click this mode button here several times till we go in the settings over here, and see you can change over some settings first. Resolution settings. So if I enter with the OK button, you see I can set up the resolution. But honestly, if I compare the 4K versus like these two, then again I'm not actually seeing that much difference between them. So again, I do not think it's actually like true proper 4K quality. So let's go back. Also go over here and change the image quality. So by default, for some reason, it's set to standard. So simply make sure to set it at high quality, obviously, to get even like better quality. And yeah, basically, so and is this camera actually worth it for this price? So really, if you do not expect to get same quality as so like 20 times more expensive GoPro, then obviously I think this camera will actually impress you probably. For this price, for literally like a bit over $10, if you follow a special discount link, I think, yeah, so as you saw, it's actually like performs actually fairly okay. So again, if you do not plan to shoot maybe some kind of high-end movies and simply need maybe use this dash cam, or maybe for example, or simply like record if you are maybe like a delivery driver, so if you simply need to stick somewhere. Or also this camera actually comes with this like cage as well, essentially, which is waterproof, so you can easily take it underwater. So personally, if I had to record videos, I would definitely simply use my smartphone, so if I didn't need it like a very small device. But for example, underwater, obviously I wouldn't risk my smartphone to do this, so I would actually simply get this camera, for example, put it inside. So this case is actually like fairly decent on this thing. So you see, you can properly lock it in and essentially like record videos underwater. And obviously this cage can also take an absolute beating as well, so in a place where you probably wouldn't want to use some kind of other device. So for this price, you can easily afford to bash this around. Obviously, if you're looking for the highest possible video quality, this probably won't provide you that. But again, if you basically need like very affordable camera that you can easily bash around, so that you don't have worry much about, I think this is absolutely brilliant. So yeah, again, I'll probably manage to get some extra coupons that I'll place in the description that you can use to get it even probably cheaper for this price. Yeah, I think it's actually pretty cool. Good luck.